Hey Daniel, I believe this is your Facebook page. I wasn't able to find a website for you. Going to Google, typing in flooring Harare. Um, First, there would be ads up here, and then you got the GMB. And then grabbing this guy, uh, looking at his website, he doesn't have too much content on there. Google loves content. He's only got 423 words. The more content you have, the better. Um, and then you can have keywords within that content as well. See what this guy saves his images as. He doesn't save it right. You'd want that to be saved as a keyword. So flooring Harare or some other keyword that you want to save for, that you want to rank for. So it's just an opportunity to have more keywords on any website doing that. Let's go to Ahrefs, toss this guy in. There's not much showing up. I wasn't able to find really a strong competitor over there for the searches I tried. But this guy had the most backlinks and referring domains and keywords he's ranking for. But he's only getting one guy a month. And but you can come in here and grab the backlinks he does have. Go to other cities, other countries, and find other backlinks that people have, and go after the high DR, high UR scores, and go after ones that are relevant to your industry. So other flooring ones, and then figure out how to get them and get them on your website, backlinking to you. And do that, you just like click here and figure out where you got this one from, figure out how to get it. This is just a directory, so I'm gonna have to translate this, but it's a directory. Register now, and then he just got it. But yeah, you can do that. Other ways you can get them is blog commenting, blogging, guest posts, sponsors, news articles, citation or directories. Anything that'll link back to you can give you them, but just stay away from the spammy ones, the lower KD, lower UR, and the ones that are not relevant to you to get the most strength. Checking out this guy's keywords. Tile and carpet. This might be the only one that really, or tile Zimbabwe. They might be able to go for that one. 70-1, but tile and carpet. However you say that city, 50 volume, 0 KD. So those are super easy to rank for. Let's mess around with this. For nothing's popping up there. Flooring, tile, carpet, laminate, bamboo, cork, wood. I don't know other floors at the moment. Nothing else is sticking out to me. Stone. But yeah, I mean, you can spend time trying to figure out keywords and finding the volume. I'm just not finding anything right now with this, so I'd probably have to ask you for some more advice on what to search and find it. But anyways, you can. I got one more thing I'm gonna try. Yeah, tractor. That didn't work either. Okay. But yeah, next thing is going to be the GMB. It's free to set this up, so if you don't have one out, set one up. You just have to verify yourself with Google. They'll send you a postcard. And then you want to complete it 100%, and then you want to add photos. The more photos you have, the better. Content when it comes to the GMB is photos. You want them to be saved with keywords too, and then you want to get citations. Citations are just directories out there, like the one I showed you, and Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB. There's a whole bunch of them. You want to make sure your name's the same as in the directory, the location, and the phone number. Hopefully that helps. That'll just help you start ranking for your GMB. Hopefully this video helps you. If you want, we can talk some more. I can set up a Facebook call or something. If not, thanks for watching, and have a good rest of your day.